This video demonstrates how to install and configure the Azure Naming Tool in your local Docker environment. The Azure Naming Tool setup process is documented in the GitHub repository, and this video demonstrates the process. The setup process includes downloading the Azure Naming Tool source code and executing Docker commands to create a local image, container, and volume for the tool to run. To begin, navigate to the Azure Naming Tool GitHub repository and select the code option to download the source code. Once downloaded, extract the files to your desired directory. Open a command prompt and change directory to the extracted files directory. On the GitHub repository README, select the Docker build command to create the local image. This command will build the local source code and create a Docker image in your local Docker installation. Once the build process is complete, navigate to the GitHub repo README page and select the Docker run command. This command will create a new Docker container for the Azure Naming Tool using the newly built image, as well as a volume for persistent storage. The Azure Naming Tool requires persistent storage for the configuration files. Once the Docker run command is complete, you can view the new image, container, and volume within your local Docker installation. Open a web browser for the container. If you have used the default Docker run command in the README file, the address will be localhost:8081. When the Azure Naming Tool is first launched, an admin password is required. Enter your desired password to complete the installation. Your Azure Naming Tool installation is now ready to be configured.